Hi, Mr. Knight. In this video, we're going to be going over USub and different strategies you can use to complete USub. So for this problem, I have chosen a function that I think would be good for a USub example. And for this example, I have already set up U and DU just to have me focus on solving and the strategies rather than the basic forms of USub. So for this problem, we're going to do the first strategy, where changing the limits of integration to we're going to do the first change limits of integration. So for this one, what you do is you get 0 to u to the power of 7. And you put, because du is 6x squared, you put 1 over 6 and du. And what you do here is you would take the integral of this, and you get 1 over 6, 1 over 8 u, 8. And then here you would put 0 to 2. Instead, you're going to plug 0 and you're going to plug 2 into 2x3 plus 1. So 2, 2, 3 plus 1 is going to give you 17, because 16 plus 1. And if you plug in 0, you're just going to get 1. So 2, 0, 3 plus 1 equals 1. So we're going to go in here from 1 to 17. But a different way you can do this is instead, we can switch to an indefinite integral. So if you were to switch to an indefinite integral, instead of having these points here, you could just go straight to u7 1 over 6 du. And then you just take the integral of this, and you go 1 over 6, 1 over 8 u8. And then once you are done with this, you do not just plug in 0 to 2. What you're going to do is you're going to plug back in the original u if you're keeping the indefinite integral. So you're going to go 1 over 6 and 1 over 8. Well, I'm going to multiply those together to go 1 over 48 to x plus to the power of 3 plus 1 to the power of 8. And then to find the answer to that, you're going to go and you're going to put this equation from 0 to 2. And then if you plug in 0, all you're going to get is 148, because this is going to be eliminated, and it's going to be 1 to the power of 8 times 148. So it's going to be 1 over 48 to be subtracted. And then when you plug in 2, and what you're going to get for that is a very large number. So you're going to get 1, 4, 5, 3, 2, 8, 2, 8. One, 4, 5, 3, 2, 8, 2, 8, 0, 0, 2, 2, 1, minus 148, which is barely going to make an impact. And all that would give you is removing the 0.021. So you get 1, 4, 5, 3, 2, 8, 2, 8, 0. And then to make sure both of these answers work, you would plug in the same thing. And what you would get here would just be another case of this number minus this number, because these both forms work. I would say for the pros and cons, The pros is if you're going to a definite integral, I would say that's better to beginning learning USub, and that continuing with changing the limits of integration from the start is definitely better for the more advanced terms of USub. I believe this one would also be quicker and taking less work. Thank you for watching the video.